Hello and welcome to Indian Masterminds. I am Bhakti Kothari, and today I bring you the story of an IPS officer whose career has touched almost every corner of policing imaginable. From remote districts in Maoist hit regions to city streets, police academies, vigilance investigations, and even India's international borders. This is the story of Y.V. Khurania, the man who climbed every rung of policing before becoming Odisha's Director General of Police. Imagine spending more than 3 decades handling crime, insurgency, intelligence, corruption cases, police training, border security, and public safety, and then returning to lead the very force you helped build over the years? That's exactly what happened when Yogesh Bahadur Khurania took charge as Odisha DGP in August 2024. But his journey to the top didn't begin in a police headquarters. It began on the ground. Born in Haryana and educated in commerce and law, Khurania joined the Indian Police Service as a 1990 batch IPS officer of the Odisha cadre. He entered policing during a period when Odisha was facing significant law and order challenges, and from the very beginning, he chose the field over comfortable office postings. His early years as Superintendent of Police took him across some of Odisha's most diverse districts: Nayagarh, Jajpur, Mayurbhanj, Ganjam, and Rourkela. Now, each of these districts came with its own set of challenges. One assignment could mean working in tribal and forested regions, another could involve managing industrial unrest, yet another could require handling politically sensitive situations. For a young officer, these postings became a real-world classroom. They gave him a deep understanding of Odisha's people, geography, security concerns, and social complexities. And as he gained experience, he moved up the ranks, leading major police ranges in Bhubaneswar, Berhampur, and Sambalpur, overseeing law enforcement across large parts of the state. But one of the most defining chapters of his career was still ahead: the fight against Maoist violence. As IG operations, Khurania became heavily involved in anti-Naxal efforts. This wasn't a desk job. It required close coordination between intelligence agencies, district policing units, and central security forces operating in difficult terrain. The challenge wasn't just about launching operations. It was about gathering intelligence, planning strategically, and staying one step ahead of insurgent networks. Years later, when he became DGP, he would oversee one of the biggest milestones in Odisha's security history. Districts that were once affected by Maoist activity gradually moved towards becoming Naxal-free. The progress reflected years of continuous work, careful planning, and coordinated action by security forces. But Y.V. Khurania's career wasn't limited to insurgency operations. He also became one of the most recognizable police faces in Odisha when he served as Commissioner of Police for Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. And if you've ever followed urban policing, you will know that this is a completely different challenge. Managing crime is one thing, managing traffic, law and order, VIP security, public demonstrations, festivals, and major events in a rapidly growing city is another. As Police Commissioner, Khurania found himself at the center of Odisha's urban security system. The role demanded a balance between strict enforcement and public engagement, and it showed that he could move comfortably between rural security challenges and metropolitan policing. But even that wasn't the full story. Over the years, he also stepped into areas beyond traditional policing. As Special Director in the Vigilance Department, he dealt with investigations related to corruption and misuse of public office. Later, as Director of the Biju Patnaik State Police Academy and IG training, he helped shape the future of Odisha Police by mentoring and training officers who would go on to serve across the state. These assignments revealed another side of his leadership: not just enforcing the system, but strengthening it from within. Then came a major shift in his career. In 2018, Khurania moved to the Border Security Force on central deputation. For the next 6 years, he served in several senior positions, including IG of the South Bengal Frontier, IG Personnel at BSF Headquarters, Additional Director General of the Eastern Command, Special DG Operations, and eventually Special DG of the BSF's Western Command. Think about the scale of responsibility. From managing personnel matters for one of India's largest security forces to overseeing operations along some of the country's most sensitive borders, these assignments expanded his experience far beyond state policing. They placed him at the heart of India's international security framework. Then in 2024, he returned to Odisha. And this time, he came back as the state's top police officer. As DGP, YB Khurania brought together everything he had learned over 3 decades. Field policing, counter-insurgency, urban law enforcement, training, vigilance and border management. Under his leadership, Odisha police has pushed aggressively towards technology-driven policing, advanced surveillance systems, artificial intelligence-based monitoring, anti-drone technology, and modern command and control infrastructure have become increasingly important parts of the force's modernization efforts. Even the world-famous Rath Yatra in Puri has witnessed enhanced security arrangements featuring AI-enabled surveillance and anti-drone systems. At the same time, Khurania has emphasized stronger investigations and improved conviction rates, especially in crimes against women. It's a reminder that while technology matters, effective policing ultimately depends on delivering justice. And perhaps that's what makes this journey so fascinating. Very few officers get the opportunity to work across so many dimensions of policing. District policing, anti-Maoist operations, vigilance investigations, police training, city policing, border security, and finally, leading an entire state police force. Today, as Odisha's DGP, YB Khurania represents a generation of police leaders whose careers were built not in one specialized role, but across every layer of law enforcement. And that experience continues to shape the future of policing in Odisha. If you enjoyed this story, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indian Masterminds for more inspiring journeys of India's civil servants and uniformed leaders. I am Bhakti Kothari, and I'll see you again in the next story.